Origin of man. The fourth theories. The origin of man has mystified us since the dawn of history. Curiosity about where we came from has led to four primary theories about the origin of man. Theory of evolution. The theory of evolution states that human origin is the result of natural selection among hominoids, ape family. However, despite evolutionists' best efforts to mislead the public, they have not, and will not succeed in proving that Cro-Magnons originated on this planet. The best proof evolutionists have provided to date are hoaxes, that when challenged, are revealed to be deliberate falsehoods or baseless opinions, such as the Piltdown Man. Ask yourself this: if the origin of man was from apes, why haven't the apes evolved and why aren't they that much more advanced than we are? Theory of creation. The theory of creation is that man was intentionally and/or divinely created on Earth. It is based on the belief that something cannot manifest from nothingness, therefore there must be a single origin of all. While often confused with religions, historians agree that belief in creation predates any religion. In fact, it existed when our ancestors were still living in caves. However, believers in creation rely on unseen, unheard and unproven deities. Like evolution, creation also lacks any hard proof of its claim. Religions, such as those of Islam, Christianity, and Judaism, all claim that our origin on Earth is attributed to a deity, or deities, who created us. Theory of panspermia. The theory of panspermia is that life did not begin on Earth at all, but was biologically brought here from elsewhere in space, most likely aboard a meteorite. For instance, because a number of Martian meteorites have been found on Earth, some researchers controversially contend meteorites brought microbes here, potentially making us all of extraterrestrial origin. However, even if this concept were true, we would still need to have evolved to a higher state. Theory of exile. The theory of exile, this theory, is that the origin of man is extraterrestrial. It states that our species, Homo sapiens sapiens, has not been on Earth since the dawn of time. Humans are actually a very recent event in global history. There are fossils of other hominoids on Earth, but none of Cro-Magnons, ours, that are older than 60,000 years. We did not evolve on Earth. Nor did we come out of Africa. Human genealogy is 100% extraterrestrial. Never in its entire history has Earth seen a species as advanced as ours. But, as advanced as we are, we have some very dangerous traits. Traits that led to human exile on Earth. Is Earth a prison planet? Yes. Are we extraterrestrial? Yes. What is our true origin? Other worlds. How did we get here? UFOs. Empirical observations about the theory of human exile provide clear elements to substantiate it. A few are: no evidence of Cro-Magnoid existence, or evolution on this planet prior to 50,000 to 60,000 years ago. Cro-Magnoids' possession of intellectual, social, economic and technological abilities never before seen on Earth. Cro-Magnoids exhibit criminal and antisocial behaviors. Millions of reported sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and UFO abductions of Cro-Magnoids throughout millenniums. Support of ancient religious and metaphysical art, artifacts and documents. Three aspects needed to substantiate the theory of exile are: means. A civilization that has achieved interstellar flight capability certainly possesses the ability to quarantine biological threats. Motive. We have a defined and well-documented propensity toward insanity, violence and aggression. Opportunity. Planets exist in the universe that are biologically capable of supporting hominoid life forms. Earth is proof. We can only imagine what purpose lies behind the activities of these quiet, harmlessly cruising objects that time and again approach the Earth. The most likely explanation, it seems to me, is that they are simply watching what we are up to. There is other life in the universe, and we are living proof. We were exiled on Earth when we became an interstellar menace, making action necessary. Aliens and UFOs continue to assess us to determine our fate.